driving. So, I'm on my way to go do an organizing job because that's another thing that I do. I love organizing. I feel like if you are organized in every area of your life, it helps organize your mind and stay on track, stay focused, keep up with your daily life, and it's peace of mind knowing that, you know, everything's organized and you can find things quickly. So, I'm going to talk a little bit about organizing. I have been doing it for a very, very long time now. I love creating systems to just be able to, again, find things quickly. That's all. With my son, I have created so many systems. Can't say that any of them have really worked yet, but I do keep trying because I know eventually, something's gonna work. But anyway, I love it, and again, being organized, it's just, think about it on a daily basis. When you're getting ready, how many times are you searching for something and just like throwing things around and like, oh, what did I do with this? Where did I put it? Blah, blah, blah. That's frustrating. I used to do that a very long time ago, and it's just a lot of time wasting. So, I found that I save a lot of time, and that's why my shirt says Errica saves you time. So, anyways, I love what I do. I love helping people, and I just love helping creating visions that people have in their mind and just need help implementing. So, if you have a vision and you need help bringing it to life in your home, let me know, and I will be there to help you because that's what I do and that's what I love. So, anyways, have a wonderful day, everyone, and we will be in touch.